Hello friends, today we learn how to make hand and dishwash liquid making machine. For making this project we need some components. 12-volt DC motor, 12-volt charger, mixer, wood piece, 2 clips, basket. Adjust motor on wood using screw, like this. Now connect charger with DC motor. Now connect mixer with DC motor. Now adjust this set on basket using clips, like this. Project is ready for test. Take 2.5 liter water on basket. Now motor button on. Now add 50 gram caustic soda. Now add 250 gram acid slurry. Now add 0.5 gram color. And now add 5 gram salt. Now add 50 gram urea. Now add perfume. Now remove mixer from basket and leave it for 12 hours. After 12 hours put it in bottles. Your dishwash liquid gel is ready for use. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos so please tell in comments. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.